progressive journalism, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. The Congress appointed Harish Chaudhary as the AICC in charge for party affairs in Punjab, relieving Harish Rawat. Chaudhary, who was the AICC secretary for Punjab, has also been made the in charge for Chandigarh. The decision comes after Rawat had urged the party high command to relieve him as General Secretary in charge for Punjab affairs in view of the upcoming assembly elections in Uttarakhand. Congress President has appointed Harish Chaudhary as AICC in charge of Punjab and Chandigarh with immediate effect. Harish Rawat is being relieved from his current responsibility as AICC General Secretary in charge of Punjab and Chandigarh, an official party statement said. Rawat shall, however, continue to be a member of the Congress Working Committee, the highest decision-making body of the party. Rawat played a key role in bringing in Navjot Singh Sidhu as the Punjab Congress chief despite strong opposition from the then Chief Minister Amarinder Singh. He later played a key role in replacing Amarinder Singh with Charanjit Singh Channi as Chief Minister of Punjab after Amarinder Singh resigned, alleging humiliation at the hands of the party.